So this is an explanation or a brief of some.
What we see here is a different type of explosives, of charges. For example, this one here is a thermobaric grenade that was used to burn rooms inside the houses. They used a timed detonator that is screwed here. Just pull out the safety, throw this into a room, close the door, shut, and it takes the temperature inside the room to 3,000 degrees during the explosion. It burns, incinerates everything inside the room. Nothing comes out. We've seen many of those being used, and we collected many of those that weren't used in the field.
I mean, this doesn't really...
Can go to 3,000 degrees